This has nothing to do with them. I need to go west to save lives. Maybe even yours.
The only lives you can save are your own. By turning back.
Open the gates, please.
Do not let her through that gate! That is a direct order!
Sorry, can't do it.
Oh, baka may mga manika pa dyan ah. Tayo papunta.
Do you want to save?
A leak somewhere.
No, that's impossible. The man the boss is working with Volgin isn't exactly on speaking terms with Khrushchev.
I lost my gun. The boss destroyed it.
Snake, I know how you're feeling. It's hard for me.
You can find him at his palace, past the mountains to the southwest. Tell him I sent you, and he'll listen to
Look! The Sky Clan's banner!
May hasukitan dito.
Gawa yun. Pwede mo siyang i-share, yes. Pero yung parang technically na gusto mo siyang ibenta dahil digital game siya or what, hindi siya tradable. Pero dito sa case na to, dapat mawawala na din siya sa'yo, sa account mo. 'Di ba? Ngayon, ang Web 2, hindi ganun nag-work. No? Parang nangyari, nagka-copy ka lang. Kaya dumadami, kumakalat yung data. No?
So the Vanguards came through here?
Yeah, just a bit ago. Down that bristleback, headed south. But then those scroungers showed up to carve the carcass, as they do.
Archers! Keep them back!
No? Kasi nga dahil doon sa in-explain natin kanina na Web 2, 'di ba dito sa Web 2, so kung may server, client, ang ginagawa ng client is parang kinakopy lang. Meron pala ako nito, Snakebird. Na-redeem ko na. Alright. Anyway, take your migs no sa reminder. Although hanggang next week pa na
Paradox natin. Tingnan natin yung trophy to pero nakuha ko na yata yan. Wait, save muna natin. Malaya. Mga tuloy-tuloy na. Nandiyan pa rin naputol yung kamay niya.
But Sokolov's research facility was completely wiped out. The whole area is polluted.
I can only offer you my deepest condolences over this terrible tragedy.
So,
Na parang ikaw, it's up to you if you want to, to share yung perspective na yun o hindi. 'Di ba? Ayan nga, especially dun sa mga West nasa baul na daw yung Wukong, true. No, yung actually yung Wukong hindi ko pa nilalaro as of now. Ibang game yung nilalaro ko ngayon, no? But daw late yung sa
Meron palang naman sa gilid ko po. The herbs.
they decided when they're going to execute us?
No. Something even bigger. Yesterday, the White House received an unexpected call.
Pecha de peligro, no? And usually kapag ganyang pecha de peligro, diyan masarap uminom, no? Diyan masarap uminom. Okay. Game. Let's go. Memorable for you. Diba? And hindi ka naman, wala ka namang parang time and money, no, na kaya mong spend, no, for those
Boss?
Hindi abot. Yes. Ang ina mo, Petra, asan ka na?
I know that look. You've got all the parts, haven't you?
ng Sony, no? Yung NFT. So ngayon, since yung game minint natin, no? NFT na siya. So, nasaan yung game mismo itself? No? Nare-release sila sa mga modern system ngayon because of some sort of reverse engineering tsaka parang filling the gap. my transition days ng PS3 to PS4, ito yung mga una ko na laro, Killzone Shadowfall. Ito talaga, maganda siya, promise. Maganda siya. In a sense na
Dito na may golden bulbul. Hello, sir.
Parang basta more about yun nga, like I said, parang sa well-being mo and what. Pero yung katulad nung kila TJ na parang anything,
Entrance hall. Dito na. Yung tatay niya parang ano?
chain. Ang term nila doon is minting. So, ibig sabihin, instead of uploading, ang gagawin na ni Sony ngayon, this time around, is to mint from you, papunta doon sa ano mo, sa destination mo or sa magre-receive ng pera is that since ilalagay mo yan, kailangan yung mga record
$45, huh?
Aloy.
I need to be going.
Of course.
Hey, you okay?
Good spot to test the shield wing.
to develop their own blockchain is something na inevitable, no, for them. Kaya ito siguro yung parang magiging, let's say, catalyst, no,
He's so dead. We don't know that.
Kaso puro nga lang maktol yung talk niya. Nanggigigil ako pag puro maktol eh. Wala kang damit? Patay damit. Yung art asset. Kasi kung isipin nyo, no, during the 90s, wala pa yung tinatawag nating version control. Ang version control is technology kasi siya, no, to keep working citizens dito, no? At least ng mga ng mga weebs, no, or mga geek or ng mga nerds. 'Di ba? Dati siguro nung pag sinabi
Oh, may 5 hours na pala yung stream ko.
Who's that?
Level talaga yung basic na.
Depende sa stakeholder eh. Parang ganito, since we're talking about Web3 nga, no, ito nakita ko lang din na parang ano ba tawag dito, ng culture, no, ng pinagsisilbihan namin. So both American yung mga boss namin. No, I mean, yeah, I mean yeah, here. The phone na lang. Since, alam niyo na,
See, you're a practiced hunter. Took you less time to kill those scroungers than vanguards to kill one bristleback.
Native to the Dodge. Just showed up. All of a sudden.
No hunters to kill them?
Well, we've got hunters, just none that want to cross Ulvund. Boss of Chain Scrape.
Development of blockchain, ano to? Soninium. Soninium, tama ba? Di ko alam paano basahin to, no? But, kumbaga, yung effort, no, for so
Ito. Pabalik sa dulo. Yun, huli ka, boy.
You look disappointed. All right then, I'll do something special for you.
Sold din yun pag ganun. Kasi sinasabi nila, unhinged daw yung mga reviews nila, or at hindi naman reviews, but yung parang take nila. Kasi parang yung community, yung nag-relate, no, yung mga tao with that. So that's why parang sa atin, no, sa ating mga employee is
Good work, Jack.
What are you doing here?
Ito yan.
Crew operatives? What is that stance?
No, na mag-down pa lang yung platform, affected na tayo, how much more kapag totally nawala sila outright. Diba?
No, can't say I have.
It's about this expedition that goes to the planet Altair 4 in an ultra-fast spaceship. When they arrive, they meet the survivor of the last expedition, Dr. Morbius.
Rent. Kasi nga parang very negative din naman yung rent kung iisipin mo. Na parang kunyari, kung bibili ka ng, let's say, a AAA game, day 1, tapos you spending
This isn't America.
Daming loot.
Order without first consulting you. Evidence says otherwise. Aloy found the shipping manifest in the mine. You skirt.
Huh? Who's that? Make it without any trouble.
No one saw me.
So you're back with Vulcan.
In a matter of speaking.
What about the boss?
Yeah, she's here too.
Better be careful.
Pero parang virtually, hindi pa rin. No, kasi parang kayang gawin ng, let's say sa PlayStation, no? So since sila yung example natin, kayang gawin ni Sony na mag-mint ulit ng
Torang kota. Wala lumabas. Ay, akala ko pwede mag-farm dito. Baka kasi naka-set na sila i-release yung MGS3 Delta next year. Malalaman natin. Baka i-announce ngayon
Just the hammer. Just the fight. Aloy?
Erend!
Dito hanapin ko nga yan dito.